I've always been into old things, really, not necessarily just cars. I think that is part of the appeal as well, classic cars, in that it's not all easy. My first car was a Hillman Hunter, which is my dad's car, which was like a Cortina. You're a 20-year-old BMW now, and you wouldn't think twice about it, just using it as your daily runner, you know? I've got this an old Volvo estate, which is, I think, possibly my favourite car of all time.
Yeah.
I love it, yeah. So I think cars became classic a lot quicker then, because they just tended to fall to pieces. I think what I really like about old cars is particularly on things like 2002s and stuff like this, it's the visibility of them, and how light the cabins and how light and airy. There's so much glass in them, isn't it? I was a photographer. That's how I started out. I moved probably when I was 18. As soon as I finished college, moved into London, got a job as an assistant for a photographer in Camden. I was doing that, and then I met the guys who were setting the club up in 1995 and photographed them for FHM. Really liked what they were doing, and I had an old Mercedes 280 SE, big saloon, you know, with the stacked headlights, and just really loved what they were doing. I hadn't got the keys to the premises in King's Cross, you know. Dave was an ex-barrister, and Phil was property guy, but Phil had a pub between them as well and stuff in Islington, and just kind of, you know, I'd just hang out more and more with them. When they finally got the keys and stuff, I became the first member and photographed all the stuff kind of in return for membership. And then they kind of went off and did different things, so I kind of ended up taking over and buying them out, really doing the management by it. The rest is history, really. Buy what you like. Be ruled by your heart, not your head.